Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY bow that you can create and use as a tree topper, which is what I will be doing here. So I will be using 3 different ribbons, and you're going to want to make sure that they are wired because if it's not, it will not fluff up. I'm measuring about 14 inches so that each loop will be about 7 inches. And I'm just basically going to fold it over, and you're going to want to fold it a total of 8 times. You can do more or less depending on how fluffy you want your bow. The best part about this bow is that it's completely customizable. So after I folded it 8 times, you just go ahead and cut off the ribbon. And then what you want to do is fold that in half, and you want to create a crease because in that crease is where you are going to cut a small slit on each end. You may have to do it in bunches because it is pretty thick to cut straight through. But after you do that, what you want to do is secure that middle with a zip tie. So if you don't have zip ties, you can also use wire ribbon, but just make sure whatever you use that you tighten it very well, because the more that you tighten it, the better that your bow will stay intact. So now you want to go ahead and just start on one end, pulling out each loop of ribbon. Pull some to the front and pull some to the back until you get all the way around to the other end, and repeat the same process. And here's where you're just going to take your time, sit down, watch your favorite show or movie, and just fluff your bow until it's how you like it. So now I want to go ahead and create some tails for my bow. With this, I did not measure, I just kind of eyeballed about how long I wanted it, but you could do it as long or as short as you'd like. So pretty much fold it over and then cut it. And then in that crease where you folded it, you want to secure another zip tie. Make sure you tie it very tight. And then you just want to go ahead and make those pretty little cuts on your bow. So what you want to do is fold it inside and then take your scissor on an angle and just cut up. And then you will have those pretty little slits on your bow, and do the same thing on the other side. So now it's time to secure the tails onto the bow, and all you'll do here is just find a loop or 2 on the back of the bow and just zip tie it through. Make sure you tie it tight again. And pretty much that's it, guys. You'll have a beautiful bow. Now comes the fun part, to fluff out your bow. So sit down, put on your favorite show, and just start fluffing it out until you get it how you like it. And pretty much that is it. I hope I could have given you some ideas and inspiration to make your own DIY bow. I really like the way it turned out. Don't forget to catch my new video coming real soon of how I put it on my tree and decorate it for Christmas. Please give this video a big like. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And I will see you guys again real soon in my next video. Bye!